Hello everyone, I created a website which gives the details about the movie, and I used WebDB API for the in movies database, and also I did backend integration using Node.js, and used Express.js as the framework, and also used Firebase as the database. And these are the modules I imported. First one is Express. First one is Express, and uh, I imported a Express module in the first line, and next I imported a Firebase admin module in the second line. And the next module is path module. It is used to handle the file paths. And next one is body parser. It is an HTTP client used to make requests to external APIs. And next one is Bicrypt. This is used to hash the password. And next in the next line, I initialized uh, I initialized an instance of the Express application, and next line I initialized the Firebase service. This key.json is the service key generated in the Firestore database. And next this constant db equals admin.firestore line. Here I initialized the Firestore admin. I created an instance of the Firestore admin. And next were the middlewares. First I used body parser dot url encoded. This is used to parse url encoded form data. And next one is body parser dot json. This body parser dot json request parse json request bodies. And next express dot static. These serve static files. These serve static files. And next in next line is view in app.set view engine comma ejs. This sets ejs as the templating engine for rendering dynamic html pages. And next line it specifies the directory of the ejs templates. And next app.get this specifies the defines a get root. This defines a get root of the root url which is the sign in page. And next app.get of sign up. This defines the get root of the sign up page. It renders sign up.ejs template. It renders templates sign up.ejs and sends its response. And next is the app dot post sign up. Defines a post route for sign up to handle form submissions. In the next line, I destructures the email, password, and name from the request fields from the request body. If in next line it checks if the email is given or not, and if the email is given, if is it a string or not, or is the if it is string, is it empty string, it doesn't have any characters, or have any characters. And if any one of the above was satisfied, it sends the it responds it sends the response as email is required. In the next line it checks if the password and name were given or not. If not given, it sends the response as name and password are required. And next I used try and catch blocks. In the try block of the first line tells that it queries Firestore to the document for the given email, uh, for the given email uh, from the user's collection. And next line checks if the user exists or not. If the user does not exist, it sends a response user already exists, if user exists. And next one is next one were specifying the salt rounds. This is used in password hashing. In next line I hashed the given password with the with the rounds with the rounds uh, in the with the rounds. The next line creates a new document. This line creates a new document with the given email in the user's collection and sets the fields of name, password, and searches password as hashed password, and set the searches as an empty array, and it redirects to the root page, that is sign in page. If any error it if there is an error, it catches the error. And next one was app.post sign up app.post sign in. This is a post route for sign in to handle sign in form submissions. And in the next line, I destructures email and password from the request body. In the next line, it is same as a sign up page. It fetches the document from file store using the provided email. If the user exists, it says it's an invalid credential. If the user does not exist, uh, invalid credential. If the user does not if the user does not exist, it says an invalid credential. And in the next line, uh, it extracts the data. It extracts the data from the user document. In the next line, uh, as the password is or as hashed, it checks whether the hashed password and the given password are same or not. If the password matches, it gives the response as email. It gives the response in a JSON response with the email. And next, if it is if the password does not match, it sends response as invalid credentials. And next one was get dashboard. Defines a get route for dashboard to display the user's dashboard using asynchronous function for database access. And next one is it extracts the email from the query string. In the next line, it again fetches the document. It again fetches in the file store for the document by the provided email in the user's collection. In the next line, it extracts the user's data and stores in the user data constant. In the next line, it renders the dashboard.ejs template, passing a user object with email, name, and searches. And I also gave an default to an empty array if none were exist. And in the next line, it is a app.post of search. It defines a post route. It defines a post route for search to handle movie search requests. In the next line, I destructures a query and email from the request body. In the next line, this line makes an HTTP request to the OMDB API with the movie title as a query and API key awaiting the response. In the next line, it creates an object. Of movie details extracted from with the movie details extracted from the API as title, genre, director, actors, timestamp. And next in the next line, it creates a reference to the user's document in the file store. In the next line, it updates the user's document by appending the movie data object to the searches array. Movie data object to the searches array. I used Firestore array union. and sends the movie data as a JSON response to the client. And if they and next it if there is an error, it catches the error and sends the response as error searching the movie. The next route was get root of the for profile data to fetch user profile, to search for the user profile. And uh, the next line is about extracting the email from the query string. The next line fetches the user document from the user's document from the email from the file store by the provided email. And if user does not exist, it sends the response as user not found. If the user exists, it extracts the data, of the user, and sends a JSON response of a name and their searches history. And if there is an error in running the try block, it sends an error fetching profile data, and also it shows the error in the console. And the last one is it starts the express server on port 3000, uh, and logging a confirmation message in the console as server running on port 3000. This is the code. This is the code of the website, and let's see how the website works. This is the website, and let's see how it works. And I used for verifying, and let's sign up with a different mail again. Let's give name as something like Veera, and email. Let's go 65, and next password as let's sign up. It again redirected us to the sign in page, and let's sign up now. And this is the dashboard. And Veera, since there are no searches yet, it does not display any searches. And let's search for some movies. Let's search first as RRR. Search. Yeah, here is the movie details. And next one, let's search about V. These were the details. And next, Majnu. So we did three searches, and let's see in the profile page. And these were the searches we did before RRR. I done the search of V movie two times, so it displayed me two times. And Majnu, and these are the recent searches. Let's try another one. Let's say Salar. Let's give Salar movie. And here these are the movie details. In the profile, it updated the Salar's query, and after signing out, it signs out. This is how the website works, and this is how the website works. And let's see how it was stored in the file store database. Let's see how how the data is stored in the file store database. This is the file store database, and see our recent sign in with the email. Uh, this is the users as collection. These are the documents. That means these are the users. They were signed in using the mails, and these are the fields: name, password, and searches. And this is our recent one. Name Veera. The password is hashed here, and the searches were stored in an array. And let's see I did something before, and I used Karthik and used email, and this is the hashed password, and these are his recent success. This is how the Firebase this is how the data is stored in the Firestore database. uh, Thank you.